Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. First, take tur dal in a pressure cooker. Add garlic, green chili, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Now, once the pressure is released, add in salt. Mix it really well. Grind coconut with dry red chilies, cumin seeds. Add the coconut masala into the dal. Boil for 5 minutes, and your dal is done. I made a quick carrot poriyal. Cook carrot till it is caramelized in some oil. Add in salt and red chili powder. Mix it really well. Your carrot poriyal is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. Take some hot rice, ghee and dal. Mix it really well. This is your dal rice. In another container, I added the carrot poriyal. I crushed some papad. For snacks box, it is vanilla cupcakes. I have shared this recipe in the reel yesterday. Kindly check it. So this is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.